Intuitive, powerful, and cost-effective, our software redefines the standard for BIM technology. With our perpetual license, you gain access to our cutting-edge BIM workflow without recurring subscription fees. Streamline your workflow with a single coordinated model and seamless integration with industry-standard file formats. Design in 2D, visualize in 3D. Experience the power of photorealistic rendering, bringing your designs to life with stunning realism and detail. Our software empowers you to bring your ideas to life with unparalleled precision and clarity. From model creation to documentation, our software equips you with the tools you need to succeed in today's fast-paced design industry. Welcome to a new world of possibilities with our innovative BIM solution.